Glowing skin does not only appear healthy, but also gives out positivity. Home-based fruits face packs are harmless and do miracles to your skin. Hello viewers, welcome back to the traditional home remedies. And today I am going to share with you two powerful homemade fruits face packs for glowing skin. Fruits are full packed with vitamins, minerals, skin whitening enzymes, antioxidants, all the essential nutrients that give you fine-looking clear and radiant skin. Fruits have been used in every household, not only in their nutrition, but also in beauty drives from long back. Many of us are tired of using products that show no outcome. In this video, I will share a few benefits of fruit face packs and two powerful face packs. So let's start. Did you know benefits of fruits face packs? 1. Nearly all fruits are full of vitamin A, B, C, and E, high in potassium, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients go deep into the skin, rinse out the dust, and offer a natural glow to the skin. 2. Vitamin C existing in the fruits is well thought out as a great antioxidant that performs as searchers against the free radicals. 3. Fruits like papaya, banana, and oranges have antiseptic and anti-inflammatory acids. 4. More or less all the fruits face packs exhibit skin exfoliation. 5. Fruits are very beneficial and hydrating in nature and create the skin soft and shining. Bananas have larger nutritious and creaming properties that hydrate skin at a sincere level. Bananas have robust antioxidant belongings, which can eliminate oxygen-free extremists in the body and postponement the aging process of the skin. Ripe banana covers with vitamin B2, B3, B6, which are influential antioxidants that defend the skin from UV-persuaded free radical damage. You will need a half banana, 1 teaspoon gram flour known as besan, 4 to 5 drops lemon juice. Method: mash a banana and combine it with gram flour or besan, lemon juice, and mix all to form a paste with the help of normal water. Keep this pack on the face for 10 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this pack 2 times a week. Apple provides a little protection against tanning. The collagen and the elastic in the apples are vital for keeping the skin youthful. It can soothe the skin and lead to rosy cheeks. It develops your complexion. Apples are beneficial for skin to get rid of acne, blemishes, and dark spots. It also helps in balancing the skin's pH levels and hence reduces the overproduction and secretion of oils from the skin. Apple juice acts as a natural toner. You will need half apple puree, 1 teaspoon of oatmeal powder, a half teaspoon of red lentils or masoor dal powder, 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Method: slice the half apple into small pieces and blend it with masoor dal. Then add 1 teaspoon of oatmeal powder and 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Mix it properly and apply it to your face. After 15 minutes, wash it off with plain water. Using this pack regularly will support you to get a bright skin tone. Homemade face masks give you glowing skin. It makes your skin rejuvenated. So my expectation is these 2 remedies are helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching and take care.